my Prosperity Bowl 2025. In this video guys, ay gagawa tayo ng Prosperity Bowl kasi nga mag-New Year na. Pero guys, ito ay isang ano lang ha. Kahit gawin mo ito kung hindi mo samahan ng sipag at tiyaga, walang mangyayari. So, Prosperity Bowl go with your hard work and pagsisikap. Okay? Rice represents abundance and sustaining prosperity, while the color orange and fruit are symbols of prosperity, luck, and good fortune. Coins promoting harmony in the household and attracting both wealth and good fortune. And bay leaves, financial blessings and warding off negative influences. And yung cinnamon sticks is believed to attract money and prosperity. And 12 paper bills represents the 12 months of the year. And yes. So same thing with the ampaw, luck as well. Now let's roll the paper bills and tie it with a red ribbon. Okay, so na-roll na natin lahat. So set aside natin. Ngayon, ito naman ilagay natin sa ating ampaw. Then we'll put the 50 bills inside the ampaw. So hugasan ko lang ito at ating tutuyuin. Okay, so umpisahan na natin. Unahin muna natin na ilagay yung bigas. Let's put the rice first. There you go. And then the 12 eggs. The eggs represents fertility. Okay, yan. We'll just put it around the bowl. Yan. And then next, we're going to put the coins, chocolate coins in between the eggs. There you go. It's nice. Just put them nicely. And next that we're gonna put in is the coins. Yeah, put it in front of the eggs. There you go. Yeah, it looks pretty as well, isn't it? And then next that we're gonna put in is the paper bills. And in front of your coins now. Yeah, okay. They're so cute. And then the bay leaves. Let's put the bay leaves there. The bay leaves is outside the eggs then. Yeah, just put them around. Yan. Outside the eggs. And then let's put now the ampaw or the red envelopes with money inside. And then the orange. And put your jade as well, your favorite stones. And then last but not the least is put in the cinnamon sticks. There you go. And there we are, our pretty and beautiful prosperity bowl. So I hope you like it, guys. And put it in the southeast part of your home. Ayos sa kumpas.